Is everyone okay with the bin pictures and the pictures shared?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
What,
okay.
have you got Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can have a look on
I thought you meant these things. I'm like, yeah, they're fine.
No, you speak. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it come on.
Yeah, and the fabric you can leave it for. Ah, no.
Give me a fly.
I was like, what? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just put them in front of you.
That's a good catch.
Okay.
You're gonna
Yeah.
help me.
Yeah, I can help you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah, maybe you need to dip it. See, you didn't.
Yes.
You didn't get enough paint
Over
there.
here, yeah.
You look at the, before you put it down. Just make sure that it's covered.
A bit more. Right, so I just have to bring it.
Are you?
If I didn't close it.
This side then? Which one?
I mean, this is my favourite one, but
Yeah, you do the favorite one.
I
Eh?
need to, well, to get the combing.
Come on.
It's fabric. You can. You won't get. Can move it after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna-
With paper it's different. Yeah. Once the paper gets stuck, it's more difficult to. Yeah. Yeah. You're happy?
Joseph, what words shall I use? Let me ask Felicia. Rub yourself first. Where did we get it off? Where is it? Oh, is it on white?
Diaspora, African diaspora. Yeah. Oh,